JEE Main 25th January memory based shift to chemistry. Here are the questions. If H plus ion concentration is increased by a factor of 1000, then whenever the dilution increases by 10 times, pH increases by 1 unit. Whenever the concentration increases by 10 times, the pH decreases by 1 unit. 1000 times means it will be by 3. Okay. For every 10 times dilution, pH increases by 1 unit. 10 times concentration, dilution and concentration are opposite. So pH decreases by 1 unit. 100 times 2 units, 1000 times 3 units. Okay, don't confuse, here it is asked concentration. Arrange the following elements in increasing order of metallic character. Potassium alkali metal highest, so these three options are okay. Silicon completely non-metal, least it should be, so this is wrong, these two are okay. And magnesium is better than beryllium because down the group the metallic character increases. Periodic table, category easy. Which of the following has two chiral centers? Okay, check this. 2 bromo, 3 deutero. First place bromo means gone because first place bromo means it will be like this. It cannot be a chiral center. Now you see this is a chiral center. It is a chiral center. Question number 4. Carbon forms two oxides CO and CO2 where CO is neutral while CO2 is acidic. 100% right. CO is neutral, CO2 is acidic. CO2 will combine with water to give carbonic acid and CO is insoluble in water. Okay, now CO is not soluble in water, of course. CO2 is giving carbonic acid. This is also right statement. Both are right statements, but this is not the explanation. Okay, now H2CO3 is acidic in nature. That's why carbon dioxide is acidic. CO is neutral because it is not forming any acid, but solubility is not affecting if the statement is right given. Okay. Which of the following element is the weakest reducing agent in aqueous solution? This is again your NCRT S block elements table. You can see lithium is having great value. We expect lithium for least, but lithium is highest. And next element after this first place, this goes to rubidium, then potassium, then the least is for sodium. As per the standard reduction potential values NCRT. Okay. Read NCRT. Don't forget the tables. Here you see aniline. This is aniline. Aromatic. Electron pair is coming into the benzene ring. Ethanamine. C2H5NH2. So it is primary amine 1 degree. N-ethyl ethanamine. That means C2H5 taken twice NH. So it is secondary amine. Secondary amines are best. N dimethyl ethanamine, C2H5 taken thrice N. So what we need to do? pKb values are given here. Kb high, pKb low, strong. So lowest pKb is strongest one. Lowest pKb is 3.0. 3.0 is given for this. Then 3.25 tertiary for this. Then. Okay. Higher Kb, lower pKb, strong. Hexane 2 own, hexane 3 own position isomers. Actually, if the term is given as metamers, then these should be called best as metamers. Okay. We don't know what are given actually because this is memory based, so we need to accept. Pentane 3 own, pentane 2 own functional isomers. So this is absolutely wrong. 2 pentene, 1 pentene metamers. No. Alkenes are not considered as metamers. They are position isomers only. Position only. Pentanoic acid and hexanoic acid are functional isomers. Not at all isomers. They are not isomers. So in this way you can take this as right. But actually, if position and metamers both terms are there, we should go with metamers. But here nothing is either, no? You can accept. Chloride salt of M is treated with excess of AgNO3. It forms curdy white precipitate AgCl. When it is treated with ammonia, it forms AgNH3 taken twice plus. Basic point, very simple. Silver is going to join with two ammonias only. We don't know whether these options are right or not because memory based now we need to accept. Just see what type of questions are asking. Okay, don't look at the particular question. Oh, this was the concept like that. See here, it should be a little type of rearrangement. Okay, now H plus heating means it should go for dehydration. It is nothing like that. First OH will go. It is methyl because H plus will be there. It is attacking on this. Then minus water. Here two methyls are there. Plus charge will come here. And later it will become methyl shift rearrangement. Methyl, methyl, methyl plus charge here. Now double bond can form. It can go for double bond also based on conditions. If double bond is there, it will come like this. Okay, now minus H plus. Or if you are adding OH, again water if you are adding, it will go for OH2 plus later. That will be giving you OH. Based on options you see. Okay, because this is also possible. No option is like that, so we need to go with this one. Final oxidation state of chromium in K2Cr2O7 used in acidic medium. K2Cr2O7 always changes to Cr plus 3. Plus 6 oxidation state changes to plus 6. We discussed this many number of times because equivalent mass of K2Cr2O7 will take as equivalent mass is equals to molecular mass by 6 because 2 chromiums from plus 6 K2Cr2O7. 2 chromium from plus 6 they changes to 2 chromium plus 3. So change in oxidation state is from plus 12, 2 chromiums plus 12 to 2 chromiums plus 6. Change is 6. That's why molecular mass by 6. These kind of questions can be asked. This is very easy. Here equation is also mentioned. This point is there in similar type of question can be asked from D block also. In acidic medium, dichromate changes to chromate, chromate changes to dichromate. That is also there. You check that question also. Which of the following match the following? Match the following. So neoprene is a synthetic rubber. It is used for manufacturing gaskets. Okay, neoprene is from manufacturing gaskets. Acrolein is used for making synthetic wool. LDP is used for making flexible pipes. Cliptal is used for making paints. Applications, polymers, NCRT. Purely memory. I can't say easy. Depends on your NCRT revisions and all. Assertion. BHA is added to butter to increase the shelf life. BHA reacts with oxygen more than butter. Both are right. Okay, now see, I think this is given as it is from NCRT statement. A hydrocarbon having molar mass of 84 and 85.8% by carbon, the number of hydrogen atoms in this. How it comes? See once. Carbon 85.8, so hydrogen 14.2. Number of moles we are calculating by dividing with molar mass. Okay, now. So the simplest ratio is 1 and 2. That means empirical formula is CH2. And here molecular mass is given 84. So 84 by empirical formula mass 14 is 6. That means molecular mass is C6H12. C6H12. So 12 hydrogens are there. Which of the following options contains the correct match? Very, very easy. Adiabatic, no heat is taken from outside. Heat exchange is 0. Isothermal, delta T is equal to 0. Isochoric, delta V is equal to 0. P delta V, delta V is equal to 0 means work done is 0. Isobaric, delta P is equal to 0. Very lucky you people are. Because thermodynamics, if you are getting this question, means really lucky. Thermodynamics, first day your teacher will teach all the terms, in that these terms will come. Yeah, this question I felt a little bit tricky or little bit tough also. Because you see, in this case, here is hydrogen is there. This part is as it is. You see, this part. Okay, this hydrogen is also there. This will become from here, COH is there, na? This COH, okay, this part is added to this carbon, and this part is added to this one. I think something special in this. From here OH, from here H is gone. This question we need to check, because whether it is given in the right way or wrong. Okay, but the answer is given like this. Very, very special it is. Memory, na? Students also cannot remember all the things as it is. Find out mass ratio of ethylene glycol to make 500 ml, 0.25 m, 250 m, 0.25. ml, sorry. So how it is going to be? Molality formula you need. Molality is equals to mass by molar mass into 1000 by mass of solvent. And molarity is equals to mass by molar mass into 1000 by volume of solution. Millimoles of, otherwise you can go with this. Millimoles of ethylene in first case is 500 into 0.25. Millimoles of ethylene in second case is 250 into 0.25. Means here you need 2 times, here you need 1 time. Here I think this should be given second time, no? Not 250 ml exactly. One should be, because here mass should be used. Okay, memory based, no? We need to accept. What they want to ask is, here it is 500 ml, here it is 250 grams, like that I think. 250 grams also is not accepted. Let us take. One is small m, another is capital M. Here it only 250 ml, 0.25. Okay. Alkali metals show characteristic color in reducing flame, not reducing oxidizing flame. They can be identified by flame test, right? Lithium crimson red, sodium golden yellow, potassium lilac, rubidium red violet, cesium blue violet. So first is wrong, second is correct. Alkali metals show idiots. See, this is okay. See, this is the strong field ligand, so more energy. Energy is inversely proportional to wavelength. So less wavelength is for this. Then 6 ammonias, then 5 ammonias. Easy question. 1920 questions are not there. How many of the following orbitals are considered as axial orbitals? P, dx square minus y square and dz square. These are not. These are axial orbitals because they are along the axis. Like this now. Like that. If this is x-axis, px, if this is y-axis, py, if this is z-axis, pz, this is dx square minus y square, this is dz square. Consider the following cell. You need to apply here. E naught cell, E cell is given, next equation. Similar type of question is there in the morning session also. E cell is equals to E naught cell minus 0.059, he has taken 0.06 by n, number of electrons involving, to log reduced form by oxidized form. This is the formula. Direct question, you can check this. Formula based. Electrochemistry, if you feel difficult, you can simply quit that. See, per second is given, that means this is a first order reaction. Wrong. And first order reactions never go for completion, so wrong. Half life 0.693 by k, 0.693 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 means 693 by 2, so it cannot be 500 seconds. Wrong. Units of rate constant same that of rate. Wrong, because for rate it will be moles per liter per second and it's given per second, so all these are wrong. Only this is right because it is first order reaction. First order reaction, that is the only one. Consider a mixture of methane and ethane having volume of 16.8 liters at 273 Kelvin and 1 atm. It undergoes combustion to form CO2 with total volume of 28 liters at the same temperature and pressure. If the enthalpy of combustion of methane is 900 and enthalpy of combustion of ethane is 1400, then find the magnitude of heat released on combustion of given mixture in kilojoules. So what is asking? CH4 plus 2O2 gives rise to CO2. So here it is given, we can see here 16.8 liters minus x we are taking because total together is 16.1 gives 2 moles of CO2 here. Here 2 moles of CO2. So 1 x gives x moles, 16.8 gives 2 into 16.8 minus x. So from here you can easily find out what is x value, that is 5.6. Little time taking, you need time. So heat released is 1/4 and here 1/2. So total is 925. Okay, now 1/4 of 900 and half of this is total is 925. Good question. We'll discuss about this question in detail. Remaining questions are not known. Thank you. This exam batch. Thank you so much. Overall question paper is not bad. Easy paper only. Okay, now overall easy to moderate. 2-3 questions are there, you can very comfortably leave. But we don't know all these 6 questions here and 2 questions here. 8 questions we need to check. Thank you guys.